Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the account state and site ownership so you know what to fix. Log into Adsense, note any alerts, then open Google Search Console to verify the property. Next, inspect your ad code inside the page source to make sure the single provided script is present and not duplicated. Once done, clear caches and view a live page to confirm the code loads. If you see a console error, jot it down. That error will guide the next steps. Now diagnose. Open the browser console and network panel to watch ad requests, status codes, and content security policy warnings so you know whether resources are blocked. If you find policy violations, remove or modify restricted content and adjust ad placement to meet guidelines. Update your policy. TXT or meta tags if needed. Make code changes on a staging page and retest with no ad blockers and incognito. Finish by requesting a review in Adsense, clearly listing the fixes you made and the exact pages and timestamps you tested. This speeds approval. Then monitor impressions and earnings for 48 to 72 hours to ensure performance stabilizes. If the problem persists, reproduce the error step by step, capture console logs and network traces, and include screenshots when contacting support. Make sure to mention cache invalidation and CDN rules, because many lingering issues come from stale assets or blocked ad requests on edge servers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.